To use the teacher web interface to manage your students, you need to go to Educator Dashboard in the web address. So type in educatordashboard.com. And then when you get to this screen, you'll need to create an account. So this will be your sign-in screen, but at first you have to use that activation code that you saw that I gave you on the email to create an account. So if you click Create an Account, then you type in the activation code right here. I recommend you log in with create an account with Google and use your myncsd.org account, and then that way when you click it, you only have to remember that one password for myncsd.org. Or if you choose, you can use create a username and a password and have something totally separate just for CoWriter if you chose. I have now used my login and logged into the educatordashboard.com. You'll notice that's up here. So in the assess option, at this time we don't have any options for us through what we've purchased. Accommodate, that is where you'll find CoWriter Universal. We're considering other options within here, but at this time all we have is CoWriter Universal. The other place is Monitor, and this is where you can check on student progress as well. But if I go to Accommodate and choose CoWriter Universal, you'll notice here there's a flow chart, and my screen will become live as soon as it completely gets logged in. Over here you'll find some more options. They call this the hamburger, but if they click here, you can look at your account, sign in, you can log out. There are some different how-to videos. If you go here, it goes to Don Johnston's website and it'll show you how to use different CoWriter pieces, frequently asked questions, that kind of stuff. What we really want to look at is you can see the what and why of CoWriter, how it works, how to use it, that kind of support. Spend some time there, I would recommend. These are the different downloading places, and you can click right on them and it'll download it right to the computer that you're using, but it's easier just to go to the Chrome store or to the iTunes store and download the free apps. We'll look at that in just a second. The other pick on the flowchart is Give to Students. This creates a activation code just like I gave you for you to create your account. And so if you go right here to create, this gives an account to the students, and here's some instructions right down here. And so if you give this students, you can write it on your board, have every student do it at the same time, whatever, then they can log in just like you did using either a username and a password or their myncsd.org account if they know it. And you can actually print some step-by-step instructions right here. Just download it, open it up, and this code is active for 14 days. So once you activate one, you need to use it in 14 days. Otherwise, you can just make a new one right here. And then if we go back, the other option you have is manage as soon as mine is active again. There we go. And I've created a fictional student, Wendy Winkers. I can do different settings for her. I can reset the password if the student forgets, and that's about all. I can turn on and off a student's Google or a CoWriter application if I chose to. So, in a nutshell, that's about all you need to know to get students signed up.